If you're starting out in property, one of the really important things is to have a very good and strong power team. Now, of course, if you don't have many contacts, you won't know who to go to. So this is where you speak to other people in property who you either meet through networking or people that you know either through social media platforms, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, elsewhere, or just personal contacts, and ask them about people that they use. Because quite often when you don't have a power team, it's a big struggle. You're buying a property, you're looking to obtain planning on it or to change the use. If you don't have a good architect and a good planning consultant, that's going to cause problems. If you try 2 or 3 different people out, they might not be the right ones for you. So that costs you time and money and aggravation. It might be enough to put you off and you might not want to go back into property again. So having that power team is important. So some of the people that you need: good architect, good planning consultant, a good deal sourcer or good contacts with agents, unless you're obviously doing your own direct mail campaigns or your telemarketing campaigns, and a good solicitor to help you with conveyancing and contracts when you're going into partnership or joint venture agreements, loan agreements, and I need a really good property accountant. Ideally, there should be somebody who invests in property. So I work with a lot of property investors. I invest in property myself. In this particular channel, you'll see lots of recordings where I'm sharing different things on property deals that I've done, so I can then relate to clients about a particular situation or circumstance. But at the same time also, because we're working with so many other property investors, we've seen most of the issues, challenges, concerns that people come across, so we can very quickly give people advice, not just on tax itself, but also on the actual running and operating of a business. So it's important to have a good accountant, somebody who knows a lot about property and property tax. And then it's also important to have a good building contractor or a team of builders who you can rely on, who can help and support and assist you in carrying out refurbishment work to your properties, depending on the type of property strategy that you're implementing. Alongside that, you might need a letting agent. You might decide to do it yourself. If you need one, obviously go to somebody who is well regarded and will do a good job. And it's extremely important to have a good power team at the start, because they are going to help and guide you and save you a lot of money, and most importantly save you a lot of mistakes. So when I started many years ago, I made a lot of mistakes, and part of the reason for that was because I was a bit green behind the ears, and I wasn't fully aware of exactly how property works, and I tried to kind of shortcut on paying fees to third parties and do stuff myself. That's where I fell short, and then I very quickly learned from those mistakes, like most people do, because they're costly, and then I created my own power team. So I think it's vitally important you have a power team of good professionals who can help guide and support you, and that's going to help you to create a very good, strong, stable property business, and which you can scale and grow to whatever size you want. If you like this video, click like so I know that the content's useful. Post a comment and I'll happily answer your question, either on this particular topic or on other content you want me to share, and click subscribe so that you can be updated with regular content.